Hello everybody, Todd here from ToddZen.com, and I want to talk to you today a little bit about a basic standing meditation that talks about the sky and our thoughts. What does that have to do with each other? Our thoughts and the sky. And think of it this way. Think of yourself as being the sky, like you are the sky. Just try to imagine that with me for a second here. So imagine you're up in this beautiful blue sky. You know it's not literally blue, but you feel like you're the sky, okay? And all of your thoughts are things that are happening in the sky, okay? You've got the clouds, you've got rain, you've got airplanes, you've got all kinds of things happening in the sky. And it's important to understand who we are from a human consciousness standpoint because it helps us understand who we really are. See, we often get locked up and stuck inside of the ego shell, ego, which some people say stands for edge God out, ego, the ego. And we get locked up in that, we get stuck in that, things get really rigid and tense. So when we do a meditation practice, it helps me anyway, and when I teach, I try to give metaphors or examples or symbology behind that. So our true consciousness, the true magic of who we are or how we were created is just beyond imagination. So try to do this with me just for 1 minute. It's a 1 minute meditation, and I want you to stand comfortably, and I want to have you have your toes pointed slightly out and relax your whole body. You can start with your hands on your thighs and just relax, just a little bit of a swaying motion. So you're really relaxed, really relaxed. You have your hands on your legs so you can feel if there's any tension, and just relax. And if you're strong enough to put your hands out in front of you as though you're holding an energy ball, okay? Or you're giving a big hug to this energy ball. It's like holding a big yoga ball. And relaxing your shoulders. You want to have heavy elbows, so your elbows are slightly dropped. Your fingers are very relaxed. You're standing up nice and tall but relaxed, a dignified posture. And you're going to be breathing like we talk about, breathing in through the nose, filling your whole body and all the cells of your body, breathing in together in unison. So when we're breathing, I want you to, again, imagine that you're the sky. Your true consciousness is the sky, and we're breathing all of life. So we're breathing in and let it go. So you're going to do that breathing pattern. So breathing in through your nose all the way through every cell of your body and inflate every cell of your body with beautiful, beautiful air and oxygen, and relax. Okay, for 1 minute, and I want you to think of nothing. I want you to be the sky. I want you to be all of the space around us, and just enter that space of consciousness. Put all of your thoughts aside. You can shut your eyes, or sometimes what I do is I say relax the eyes and focus down in front of me about 10 feet. And just try that out. Let's do it for 1 minute together. And that's it. It's 1 minute of meditation. And then what I like to do is I drop my energy down and I bring my hands around and I gather beautiful heavenly energy and I bring it down into my body and I push out any negativity out. And I spread it across the earth. I reach up, breathe in deep, gather energy from heaven, bring it down into the core of our body, and then flush it out. I usually do it 3 times. Reach up, energy from heaven, and relax it. So see, it doesn't take much to do a full meditation just for 1 minute, But you want to put yourself in a mindset of relaxation, deep relaxation, appreciation and gratitude and happiness. But the best thing of all is letting go, because we're tapping into our ultimate sense of consciousness of who we are. Remember, you are the one that recognizes everything else. There's something inside of us that recognizes that we're sad or mad or glad or happy or hungry or whatever. There's natural instincts, you know, there's parts of us that say we're hungry because our cells are hungry, there's biology, but there's a spiritual aspect to it too. And that's some of the stuff that I like to teach on my website at toddzhen.com. But just give that some thought and try to practice. And next time you look up at the sky, try to remember that you and I and everybody, we're really all part of the whole big picture, but we're also part of the sky.